What level is a gaming headset with active noise cancellation? Only those who have played games in a dormitory might understand its value. Speaking of noise cancellation, don't be put off by the price. With an initial price of over $200, it is still cost effective. This is the newly released Siberia noise cancelling gaming headset DM01 Max.
But this time the appearance is noticeably softer, without the intense esports vibe of the past, but it still retains that esports style at its core, as it uses a dual-core management technology, with one gaming audio chip and one flagship noise cancelling chip. For example, it has the 2.4G ultra-low latency mode that is essential for gaming headsets. Regarding the 2.4G mode, I have emphasized and tested it many times. In normal shooting games like Peace Elite and Delta Force, you can hardly feel any sound delay. Additionally, it has a 40mm large dynamic driver, providing stereo sound, allowing you to hear and locate sounds more clearly. Moreover, its receiver has an embedded hidden design, making it both aesthetically pleasing and easy to store. However, the most important feature this time is that it achieves a noise reduction depth of -43 decibels and has received National Class A noise reduction certification. Playing games in a noisy environment can filter out unnecessary ambient noise. The most typical scenario is in a university dormitory where, after activating deep noise cancellation, you can immerse yourself more in sound positioning. Additionally, its microphone is a detachable unidirectional mic, which can also filter out surrounding noise, making the speaking voice clearer. Moreover, it has buttons to freely switch between 4 noise cancellation modes, offering great flexibility. Of course, these headphones are also fully compatible with any device. In addition to supporting the 2.4G mode, they also support Bluetooth connection and wired USB connection. Additionally, it uses an asymmetrical folding design, making it very convenient to carry when going out. At the same time, with the LYO zero pressure earmuffs adjusted by millions of players, it remains comfortable even after long periods of wear. It also has a built-in 1500 mAh battery, theoretically allowing it to last for 4 weeks, alleviating battery anxiety. Generally, noise-cancelling gaming headsets on the market are either scarce or too expensive, so Siberia offering it at a price of just over $200 is quite sincere. So would you like such an active noise-cancelling gaming headset?